In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a clickable PDF to your Squarespace website. Unfortunately, since Squarespace doesn't support this functionality by default, what we need to do is use a third-party platform. Don't worry though, it's completely free and also very easy to set up. The first thing I want you to do is to click the first link in the description of this video, which will take you to the Elfsight platform. Once you've clicked to the link, this is the page that you're going to see. From here, I want you to head over to the top of the page, which is where you will find this widget button. Simply hover over it, and then you'll see this massive list of widgets. Now, I want you to head over to the tools section right here, and if you go about halfway down, you will see PDF embed right here. Click on that, and then you'll be taken to the PDF viewer widgets page. From here, I want you to click on create widget for free, and then you'll be taken down to the template section. So on the left hand side here, you have a bunch of different clickable PDF templates that you can choose from, and then on the right hand side, you have a fully interactive preview of what the selected template will look like on your Squarespace website. So for example, here we have this embed PDF file template. This is what it looks like, and as you can see, it's fully interactive. We can click around, we can zoom in, we can zoom out. There's multiple pages here, we can download it, we can print it, etc. Now, I do also want to mention that none of these templates are final in terms of design or functionality. We can actually customize pretty much anything that you see on the screen, and I'm going to show you how to do that in the next section. But for now, browse through the templates, choose the one that works best for you. In my case, I'm going to go for a embed PDF file, this one right here, and then I want you to click on continue with this template in the bottom left corner of the screen. Then you'll be taken to this section, which is where we can start customizing your PDF widget to your liking. So the first thing you want to do, if this is relevant for you, is add the widget title. So this is the title that would go right here above the PDF itself. In my case, I'm not going to add any because I want it to be nice and clean like that. Then what you want to do next is go ahead and add the relevant file. So click on add file right here, and then you can either upload your PDF through a file, or you can add it as a link, let's say from a Google Drive or whatever it might be. In my case, I'm going to stick with the default here, and to delete the sample PDF file, simply click on the three dots here, actions, and then click on delete to get rid of it. Once you've done that, on the left hand side, you also see layout and appearance. These are some other customizations that you can take advantage of to further customize your clickable PDF once it's actually on your Squarespace website. So at the moment, we have a file viewer. This is the current layout because people can see the file as it is straight through your Squarespace website. Then on the left hand side of the screen, you also see layout and appearance. These are some more customizations that you can take advantage of to further customize your clickable PDF. So for example, if you go to layout right here, this is my current layout. I'm using the file viewer because I have a singular PDF that I want people to be able to see and click on. However, if you have multiple PDFs they want to upload to your Squarespace website, they want people to be able to click on, I would recommend you to go for either the grid, which is going to display all the different PDF files that you have, or the list format. As you can see, this is what it looks like. Of course, you can play around with these and test them around. Then the bottom here, you can also change your file icon, the preview image, download settings, and the width of the actual widget. It's all very self-explanatory. I'm not going to go through every single customization that you can take advantage of here. I will leave this up to you to explore. But once you're ready with customizing your clickable PDF widget, go ahead and click on add to website for free in the bottom left corner of the screen right here. Then you'll be taken to this page, which is where we need to go ahead and publish the widget. So in the top right corner of the screen, you will see a green publish button. It will be right here. So you can see mine is grayed out because my widget is already published, but yours won't be. So click on publish, and then you will automatically be taken to the plans page. This is what the plans page looks like, and what we need to do here is choose a plan. Now, since this is the first widget that we're creating through Elfsight, we can actually go for the free plan right here. So you can see it supports up to one widget for up to 200 views. So if you're just getting started and you expect less than 200 people to preview your widget, then you can go for this plan. Alternatively, if you want to unlock more functionalities, such as have more than one widget from Elfsight on your Squarespace website, or if you expect to get more than 200 views on your PDF file, then obviously go for one of the premium plans right here. As you can see, they have quite a few different options that you can choose from. And if you decide to pay annually, you also get to save quite a bit of money as well, which is pretty nice. But yeah, go ahead, choose the plan that works best for you, and then you'll automatically be taken to this page, which is where we can copy the code for the clickable PDF widget. Click on copy code here, and then let's head over to Squarespace so we can start integrating it. Now, as you can see, I'm already in my Squarespace website here. I'm going to click on edit to go into the actual editor, and then I'm going to add a brand new section, which I actually already do. This is for another widget. So I'm actually going to just delete this section quickly like that and show you how to add a new one, just in case you don't know. So yeah, I want it at the bottom here. I'm going to click on add section, and then I'm going to click on add blank section. And then you'll see a blank section added to the bottom of the page here. Then in the top left corner of the section, click on add block, and then type in code just like that. and then click on the code button. Then you'll see this window here get added to your page. Double click on it, and then you'll see this other window open up. From here, make sure that the mode is set to HTML and delete this text here and replace with the code that we just copied from elf side. Click away. Obviously, make sure to resize this depending on how big your widget is going to be. In my case, it's a big widget, so it needs to be resized accordingly. Then click save and exit out of it. And as you can see here is my clickable PDF on my Squarespace website. It looks super nice and clean. As you can see, it's fully interactive. I can zoom in, I can rotate the page, I can download if I click this button right here, and so forth. Don't worry about this panel that you see right here on the top. This is only visible by you just in case you want to make any changes to the widget while it's still live on your Squarespace website. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to add a clickable PDF to your Squarespace website. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.